Legacy to me means the struggle ends with me. The struggle ends with Bree. That's it. If my future grandchildren or if my children, no matter what they want to be, they don't have to think about, oh, I'm only going to do this job because it pays well. Or, oh, I'm not going to do this job because it doesn't pay well. I want them to be able to choose what their heart desires. So if they want to go be a teacher and teachers still aren't making money years from now, which I pray changes, then they already know that they have passive income coming in every single month like clockwork from the real estate investments that I set up, and then my children compounded on, and their children compounded on, and their children compounded on. So they're like, oh, okay, I can go be a teacher. It's no biggie because I have passive income coming in every single month. I don't really need this job. I just want this job. And this is what my passion is. I'm pursuing my God-given purpose. So I want my children to be able to pursue their God-given purpose without money being a factor or a deciding factor at all for them. So legacy to me means that my kids have freedom. I have freedom and my children have freedom. Their children have freedom and the freedom don't stop.